Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Tweety Meme Coin. It's pretty easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the Ethereum contract address. Make sure to copy this contract address, and if you click on the market icon at the top, you'd find that we have the Uniswap as one of the only decentralized exchange pairs that you can get your Tweety Meme Coin from. So minimize, open up your MetaMask, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network. If you're not, select the Ethereum main network from the network drop down at the top of the screen. The icon at the top right, click on this icon and simply head over to app.uniswap.org. Okay guys, and once you're on app.uniswap, click on the icon at the top which says the base network and select Ethereum. Once you've selected Ethereum, click on Connect Wallet and select Wallet Connect. Simply click on the Select Wallet option and select the MetaMask. Click on Just Once. And then you get to connect your wallet to the uniswap.org. Once it's been connected, you'd find the connection icon at the top right. All you need to do now is simply, where we have the Select Token drop down, click on this drop down and paste the contract address for the token. That's the Tweety. Click on Tweety, click on I understand, and we are successfully connected to Tweety. Now all you need to do is for 0.0025, we can have a good amount of the Tweety on our wallet, and then you get to pay a gas fee of $4, and then you simply click on swap. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'd give an answer. Thank you.